Dear children, welcome to Class 5 English Literature class. Today we will start the chapter Meet Tom Sawyer. From your English Literature book, A New Leaf. So kindly take out the chapter at page number 98. Meet Tom Sawyer. Meet Tom Sawyer is a chapter taken from the novel The Adventures of Tom Sawyer, written by Mark Twain. Mark Twain was an American author and humorist. His real name was Samuel Langhorne Clemens. He is most known for his novels The Adventures of Tom Sawyer and its sequel, Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. So, let's summarize the chapter first. Tom Sawyer, a young boy living with his Aunt Polly on the banks of the Mississippi River, he seems to most enjoy getting into trouble. After missing school one day and getting into a fight, Tom is punished with the task of whitewashing a fence. However, he turns the punishment into a bit of entertainment and tricks other boys to finish the work for him. He convinces the boys that the chore of whitewashing a fence is a great honor, so he receives small precious objects in payment. So let's start the chapter. This is video number 1, Meet Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain. This is at page number 98. So kindly keep on underlining the words as I'll tell you while reading the chapter. Tom Sawyer had landed himself in trouble yet again. First, he had been caught eating forbidden jam in the morning, then he had skipped school, and Aunt Polly had come to know of it as a result of Sid's squealing on him. So, Tom Sawyer, he was living with his Aunt Polly and half brother Sid. Half brother means who has one parent common, who shares one parent. So, Tom Sawyer, he was in trouble once again. He was a troublemaker. So, firstly, he had been caught eating forbidden jam. Underline forbidden. Forbidden means which was not allowed. Underline skipped. Skipped means missed. Squealing. Underline squealing also. This means shrill cry of excitement. So Tom Sawyer had landed himself in trouble yet again. Firstly, because he had eaten the forbidden jam, which he was not allowed to eat. And secondly, he had missed his school. And Aunt Polly had come to know of it. So she was really upset and angry at Tom Sawyer. Tom, who lived with his aunt, his cousin Mary, and his half brother Sid, was a troublemaker, and his poor Aunt Polly was constantly driven mad by his behavior. Underline constantly. Constantly means continuously. Half brother, as we have already discussed, that half brother means who has one parent common. So Tom lived with his aunt, his cousin Mary, and his half brother Sid. So he was a real troublemaker, and his poor Aunt Polly was continuously driven mad by his behavior. She was really irritated and troubled by Tom Sawyer. She was concerned as to whether she was doing her duty to him, but could not bring herself to be harsh with her dead sister's child. She was really concerned. She was really worried about Tom, and she was not sure whether she was doing her duty towards Tom sincerely or not. And she could not be harsh with Tom. Why? Because Tom was her dead sister's child. Every time I let him off, my conscience does hurt me so. And every time I hit him, my old heart almost breaks. Underline conscience. Conscience means a person's moral sense of right and wrong. So, Aunt Polly, she's saying that every time, whenever she used to let him off, that means whenever she was not pointing out or scolding him, then her conscience used to hurt her that she was not correcting the child who was not having the parents. Yes. And whenever she used to hit him, my old heart almost breaks. She used to feel so bad. She used to feel heartbroken. However, that day, Aunt Polly decided to punish Tom by snatching away his Saturday freedom, sentencing him to paint the entire fence. Underline sentencing. Sentencing means punishing. So that day, Aunt Polly decided that she will punish Tom by snatching. Underline snatching. Snatching means taking away with force his Saturday freedom. Saturday was off. It was a holiday, but she would not allow him to play or do things of his choice. But she punished him to paint the entire fence. So Tom was asked to paint the entire fence on his own. We'll continue in the next video. Thank you.